Hey everyone, Renmar here. We're gonna do something different for this video, something I've always wanted to do, which is a quick unboxing slash tech review. And today we're gonna be reviewing or unboxing this. That is the Royal Kludge keyboard. Now let's look at the Royal Kludge. Ooh, hey, looks good. Okay, so comes with the user manual, which is actually inside the plastic. So I'm gonna find a safe way to take this all out. Oh, that's coming separately. Oh, and I think you can see the frame already starting to go along with the plastic. But yeah, okay, user manual, typical. And the cool thing about this keyboard is you can actually remove this frame. That's not broken. That's expected. It should be able to do that. In case you just wanted the frameless look of the keyboard. Take this out slowly. See it here. There it goes. All right, that's what it looks like. You can do a little sound test too. Check if there's anything else inside the box that we missed. Oh, the frame. That was close. This is... what is this? Oh, these are probably like the stands or the leg things, yeah? Okay, Renmar from the Slight Future here. I actually, at this point, I've already finished recording most of the stuff. And while I was fidgeting around the box, I found these. These are more useful stuff. You see here, this is the connector cable. See there, it's USB-C. This goes into the keyboard. This goes into your computer. All right, you can charge your keyboard or direct wire connection it using wire connected using this cable right there. You also get this tool. Not sure if this is for the switches or for the caps, because the switches themselves are actually hot swappable. So if you want to change your switches, use different ones, you can definitely do that. And they actually packed in some extra switches for you just in case. Very minimal what's in the box. Everything is gonna be there. Now, I did get the variation of the Royal Kludge, which is the 84 key one. So I went even more compact with it. So the design looks like. See there, very compact, very neat. And then now this is what it looks like with the frame, which is... did I put in the frame correctly? Yeah, I think that's the right way there. Even looks good without the frame. Well, the boxy. Oh, there we go. There we go. There, 84 keys, and that's what the keyboard just straight up looks like right now. Here, you can see 2 ports in the back, 2 for USB here. I don't know why it would be 2 though. Let's see if I can find out. You can also use USB-C. Give me a second. There's something here. Okay. There's something hidden off underneath there. There's a wireless receiver. Of course, it's probably going to be going into the PC. And then that's how you can make the most out of the wireless capabilities of this. So these things go, I assume, here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it goes in the front. And it's magnetized actually, which is really cool. So slap that on in there. Bang. Clicks right in. Just make sure it's in the right direction. There we go. See there? Easy to remove, easy to attach. No frills, no problem. Then at the bottom, you can see the model and stuff, all the other information. And you have here the on and off switch. There's a switch here for B and G. We're gonna find out what that is. Let's see if turning it on will actually do anything. Oh, and yes, it is an RGB capable keyboard. So got the flashiness. I like colors, you know. I like things colorful here. And let's see if right now it's set to G. Let's try to setting it to B. Bluetooth. Okay, because when I turned it on, suddenly there was a notification on my PC. I think you heard the effect there. And yeah, you see that all lighting up. All right, now let's see this in action. Okay, as you can tell from the B-roll, it's actually very easy to customize the lighting or the RGB design of the keyboard. You can just press the function key and there's going to be a key over here, right there at the end button, which changes the color of the keyboard. Right now it's not obvious, but this is yellow, there's green, there's blue, there's a light blue, there's a pink or a purple. This one is, I think this is the pink, yeah, because it's a more lighter, so like a pinkish white hue. And then there's also typical RGB. And then at the same time, you can also change the brightness of it by pressing these keys. You can make it brighter. Or I think, oh wait, no, it just it scales the different colors as well. And then for this, you can also change the speed or what kind of lighting animation you want with it. So very cool that it's very easy to adjust. Okay, so what do I think about this? The RK87. You can tell, yeah, it's already looking different because I got really excited. I put in my yellow keycaps on there. But the fact is, this is a 2,400 peso or around that price keyboard that is customizable, has really good wireless connectivity with two different options, either via Bluetooth or via a 2.4 gigahertz dongle. You can also connect it wired directly via USB-C into USB 2.0. It is giving you the option of actually taking away the frame so that you have like a frameless look direct like that. It's a very customizable keyboard. It's also hot swappable, as I mentioned earlier. You can easily change the switches, and it has a good form factor, a very simple form factor. It's not too loud in terms of its design. It doesn't try to look like a spaceship. It doesn't try to look like something from the future. You get what you see, which is a very solid keyboard. It's good, sounds good, builds good, price, absolute value, great stuff. Lots of options here for media control. Again, easily customizability. This is a keyboard that I am willing to recommend, but you have to watch more videos about it or more takes about it, because again, I just got this. I've only been typing with it for what, around 10 minutes. It's not a lot of time yet. I haven't tried it out with gaming. However, I don't think that's going to be a problem. So far, so good. Solid keyboard. 2,400 pesos on Shopee. I'll link you the exact place where I got it at in the description below. All right, so what do you think of the RK84? There's other options for it as well if you want less or more keys. There are other available switches. If I'm not mistaken, it also comes in blue and red and black, if I'm not wrong. So blue, red, black, and brown. And yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna pretend like I know so much about keyboards and stuff like that. This isn't coming from a point of view of someone who's like a keyboard expert, just someone who wanted a really good, solid, new keyboard for his setup. All right, comment down below what you think of the RK84 and if you want more tech videos like this. Okay, more reviews, more unboxing. Again, this has been Renmar. See you on the next one. Peace.